It's March 5th, 2023. Here are the bulb plants. This is the puskinia, or striped squill. I probably pronounced that incorrectly. And then this is the Persian pearl tulip. You can see the sprouts has gotten a lot taller. I'm gonna put it up here. This is the summer snowflakes. More sprouts are coming up. Daffodil is also sprouting, growing a lot. Here is the grape hyacinth, the latifolium variety. Grape hyacinth. Here's the snowdrop. Sprouts are coming up nicely. One tulip sprout. Here's the hyacinth. Not as many sprouts as I expected. That one looks kind of sad. Over here we have the crocus. You can see a lot of bulbs are sprouting now. Here's also more sprouts. Another crocus pot. Here you can see the lavender looking a bit sad. Hopefully it's not dying. Here's the peony. You can start seeing them sprouting, a lot of them. Here's the broccolini. Looks pretty much the same, still flowering. The beet also looks pretty much the same. And here's the rhubarb. You can see more leaves had opened. The growth is slowly speeding up. Here's the fiddle leaf fig. It's not doing so well. You can see the leaves are browning, starting from the bottom and the outer edge of the leaves. And it has already lost quite a few leaves. You can see right here, leaves have fallen off. Not too sure what's going on. Could be overwatering. Here's the patio. The hydrangea is sprouting now. This is the shooting star variety. And over here's the macrophylla hydrangea. You can see some sprouts coming up from the base of the plant. And also the sprouts on the stems are opening. Over here we have the winter jewel. You can see pretty much most of the flowers have opened. And over here's the lily of the valley. They're also sprouting now. Very excited for their flowers. And here's the frizzle sizzle. This flower spike over here is not gonna mature. And the other smaller ones are also drying up. I think the plants decided they're not worth it. The only flower spike that is surviving is this bigger one. You can see the flower structures already. This one's gonna stay.